Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS deal update on Sunday, August 15 to Saturday, August 21st, 2021. And these are all digital and printable coupon deal. Before we start, make sure to send all your manufactured digital coupon on your CVS app so you can combine with the digital and printable coupon deal. So let's begin with my first deal. So my first deal is Select Colgate toothpaste deal. Buy 2 and get back $3 ECB. This one has a limit 2 per household. And it's on sale 2 for $7.98. You can buy 2 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste 6 OZ. It's $7.98. You can use one $3 off 2 Colgate digital coupon and use one $1 off Colgate toothpaste digital coupon. That coupon is possibly glitch and that coupon is available on August 15. So the total coupon is $4. Pay or roll $3.98 and get back $3 ECB. So the final cost is only just 98 cents or 49 cents each. My next deal is Select Colgate Renewal toothpaste, toothbrush and mouthwash deal. Spend 15 and get back $7 ECB. This one has a limit 2 per household. You can buy 2 Colgate Optic White Renewal toothpaste 3 OZ. It's $19.99. It's $9.99 each. Also you can buy 1 Colgate Gum Renewal toothpaste 3 OZ. It's $9.99. So the totals come out $29.97. You can use 1 5 of 25 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Use 1 3 of 2 Colgate digital coupon. That coupon is possibly glitch. Also you can use 1 3 of Colgate Gum Renewal toothpaste digital coupon and use 1 3 of Colgate Optic White Renewal toothpaste digital coupon. So the total coupon is $14. Pay or roll $15.97 and get back $14 ECB. So the final cost is only just $1.97 or 65 cents each. My next deal is Crest toothpaste or Oral-B toothbrush deal. Buy 2 Crest toothpaste or Oral-B toothbrush and get back $3 ECB. This one has a limit 2 per household. It's on sale $3.49 each. You can buy 2 Crest scoop toothpaste $6.98. It's $3.49 each. You can use one $1 of Crest toothpaste digital coupon. That coupon is possibly glitch. Also you can use 1 3 of 2 Crest Oral Care digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. So the total coupon is $4. Pay or roll $2.98 and get back $3 ECB. So the final cost is free. My next deal is Maybelline Cosmetic deal. Buy 2 Maybelline Cosmetic and get back $4 ECB or buy 3 and get back $7 ECB. Its limit up to $7. So you can buy 2 Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. It's $14.98. It's $7.49 each. You can use 1 4 of 14 Maybelline Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use 1 3 of Maybelline Mystery coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. Maybe is the less value or the higher value. We can check back on the Sunday. Also you can use 1 $2 of Maybelline Eye or Lip Cosmetic digital coupon and use 1 printable coupon on coupon.com, but that coupon is no longer available. So the total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $3.98 and get back $4 ECB. So the final cost is free. My next deal is CoverGirl Cosmetic deal. Buy 2 CoverGirl product and get back $5 ECB. Plus you can buy 3 and get back $7 ECB. That one has a limit up to $7. So you can buy 4 CoverGirl Brow and Eye Maker eyeliner is $25.96. It's $6.49 each. Also you can use 1 6 of 20 CoverGirl Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use 1 5 of 2 CoverGirl Cosmetic digital coupon and use 2 5 of 2 CoverGirl Cosmetic printable coupon on coupon.com. The digital coupon is glitching with the printable coupon. So if you didn't print that coupon, you can must print that coupon on coupon.com. So the total coupon is $21. You can pay or roll $4.96 and get back $7 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $2.04 money maker. if you don't want to do this deal next week, you can do this deal this week also. They have buy 3 you can get $8 ECB, and this $5 of 2 printable and digital coupon, it's glitching, so you can make $3 money maker on that deal. The next deal, it's Neutrogena cosmetic deal. Buy 2 and get back $6 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. You can buy 2 Neutrogena makeup remover wipe 20 once. It is $15.58. It's $7.79 each. Also, you can use 1 3 of 15 Neutrogena cosmetic CVS CRT. Use 1 $4 of Neutrogena mystery coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. Also, you can use 1 3 of Neutrogena cosmetic CVS CRT. So the total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $5.59 and get back $6 ECB. So the final cost is free plus 41-cent money maker. My next deal is any Sally Hansen cosmetic deal. Spend 20 and get back $7 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. So you can buy 2 Sally Hansen Miracle Gel nail color. It's $19.98. It's $9.99 each. You can use 1 free cosmetic CVS message coupon. It's up to $5. I got this coupon in this morning, so you can check on your message. Also, you can use 1 5 of 2 Sally Hansen Miracle Gel CVS CRT. Use $1 of Sally Hansen digital coupon and use $2 of Sally Hansen instant coupon printed on this week. So the total coupon is $13. Pay or roll $6.98 and get back $7 ECB for the Sally Hansen. So the final cost is free. But if you have 5 of 30 cosmetic CVS CRT, you can do this deal together. Spend 20 on Sally Hansen and get back $7 ECB, and buy 2 CoverGirl and get back 5, or buy 3 and get back 7. So in this transaction, you can buy 2 Sally Hansen Miracle Gel. It's $19.98. It's $9.99. Also, you can buy 2 CoverGirl Eye Maker Eyeliner. Is $12.98. It's $6.49 each. So the totals come out $32.96. You can use 1 5 of 30 any cosmetic CVS CRT. Use 1 5 of 2 Sally Hansen CVS CRT. Use $1 of Sally Hansen digital coupon. Use $2 of Sally Hansen instant coupon. It's printed this week. Use 1 5 of 2 CoverGirl cosmetic digital coupon. That coupon is possibly glitch. Also, you can use 1 5 of 2 CoverGirl cosmetic printable coupon. So the total coupon is $24. Pay or roll $8.96 and get back $7 ECB for the Sally Hansen and get back $5 ECB for the CoverGirl. Plus, you can earn $3 beauty reward because you almost spent $30. So the final cost is free plus $6.04 money maker. My next deal, it's Clairol hair color deal. Buy 2 and get back $5 ECB. You can buy 2 Clairol Nice and Easy permanent hair color. Is $16.98. It's $8.49 each. You can use 1 2 of 2 Clairol hair color CVS CRT. Use 1 6 of 2 Clairol hair color printable coupon on coupon.com. Use 1 6 of 2 Clairol hair color digital coupon. That coupon is possibly glitch. So the total coupon is $14. Pay or roll $2.99 and get back $5 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $2.02 money maker. My next deal, it's Iris Spring body wash deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB. This one has a limit 3 per household, and it's on sale 2 for $8. Buy 2 Iris Spring body wash. It's $8. You can use 1 3 of 2 Iris Spring body wash CVS CRT. Use $1 of Iris Spring printable coupon on coupon.com. Use $1 of Iris Spring digital coupon. So the total coupon is $5. Pay or roll $3 and get back $2 ECB. So the final cost is only just $1 or 50 cents each. My next deal, it's Speed Stick or Lady Speed Stick deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household, and it's on sale 2 for $5. You can buy 2 Speed Stick deodorant. It's $5. You can use 1 2 of 2 Speed Stick CVS CRT. Use 2 50 cents of Lady Speed Stick printable coupon on speedstick.com. So the total coupon is $3. Pay or roll $2 and get back $2 ECB. So the final cost is free. My next deal it's L'Oreal hair care deal. Buy 2 and get back $4 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household. And it's on sale 2 for $8. You can buy 2 L'Oreal Paris shampoo, it's $8. You can use 1/3 of 2 L'Oreal Paris hair care digital coupon. It's possibly glitch with the printable coupon. That coupon is no longer available, so the total coupon is $6. Pay or roll $2 and get back $4 ECB. So the final cost is free plus $2 money maker. My next deal is select Silk Razor and Skintimate or Silk disposable razor deal. Spend 15 on Silk Razor and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale $8.99 each. Also you can spend $15 on Skintimate or Silk disposable razor and get back $5 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale $5.99 each. So you can buy one Silk Woman Institution razor, it's $8.99. Also you can buy one Silk Man Hydro Skin razor, it's $8.99. Also you can buy 3 Skintimate disposable razor is $17.97. So the totals come out $35.95. You can use 1/8 of 25 Silk razor CVS CRT. Use 1/4 of 2 Skintimate CVS CRT. Use $4 of Silk Woman digital coupon. That coupon is available on Sunday. Also you can use 1/4 of Silk Man digital coupon. That coupon is also available on Sunday. And use $3 of Silk disposable coupon. It's available on Sunday. So the total coupon is $23. Pay or roll $12.95 and get back $5 ECB for the Silk razor and get back $5 ECB for the Skintimate. So the final cost is only just $2.95 or 59 cents each. But check back on the Sunday if we get any printable coupon on the Skintimate razor. My next deal is Stay Free, Carefree and Playtex on OB deal. Spend 12 and get back $3 ECB. This one has a limit 1 per household and it's on sale buy 1 get 1 50% off. You can buy 2 Stay Free Maxi Pad with Wing, it's $11.97. It's buy 1 get 1 50% off. You can use 1/2 of 12 paid liner CVS CRT. Use 1/3 of Stay Free CVS CRT. Use 1/2 of 2 Stay Free printable coupon on stayfree.com. So the total coupon is $7. I just pay $4.97 and get back $3 ECB. So the final cost is only just $1.97 or 99 cents each. The next deal is household deal scenario 1. Spend 40 and get back $10 ECB. You can buy one Tide Pod 21 to 35 cities $11.94. Also you can buy 3 Pantene shampoo, it's $12, is 3 for $12, and buy 2 Head and Shoulder, it's $12, it's 2 for $12, and buy one Tide Pod 16 cities it's $4.94. So the totals come out $40.88. You can use 1/3 of 15 Tide Downy or Gain CVS CRT. Use 1/4 of 18 any hair care CVS CRT. Use 1/3 of 3 Pantene digital coupon and use 1/3 of 2 Head and Shoulder digital coupon. Use 1/2 of Pantene Head and Shoulder CVS CRT. Use $2 of Tide Pod digital coupon and use $3 of Tide Pod digital coupon. So the total coupon is $20. Pay or roll $20.88 and get back $10 ECB. So the final cost is only just $10.88 or $1.55 each. But if you have PNG insert for the Pantene and the Head and Shoulder coupon, it's glitch with the digital coupon. So if you have the insert coupon, that will be the money maker deal for you. The next deal is household deal scenario 2. Spend 40, get 10 ECB back. So you can buy one Tide Liquid 92 FL Oz, it's $11.94. Use one Tide Pod 21 to 35 cities $11.94. Buy one Downy Liquid 1.103 Oz, it's $11.94. Also you can buy one Downy Unstoppable Booster, is $4.94. So the totals come out $40.76. You can use 1/3 of 15 Tide Downy or Gain CVS CRT. Use 1/3 of Tide Pod digital coupon. Use 1/3 of Tide Liquid digital coupon. Use $2 of Downy digital coupon and use $3 of Downy digital coupon. So the total coupon is $14. Pay or roll $26.76 and get back $10 ECB. So the final cost all this product is only just $16.76 or $4.19 each. My next deal is just the basic water bottle deal. It's on sale $2.99. You can buy one, it's $2.99. You can use $1.50, just the basic water CVS CRT. Pay or roll only just $1.50. So the final cost is only just $1.50 each for the 24 pack of water. My last and final deal is select General Mills cereal or Nature Valley bar deal. You can buy 3 Nature Valley bar, it's $5.31, it's $1.77 each. Also you can buy 2 General Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal, 12 oz is $3.54. It's $1.77 each, but make sure to check which one it's included on the Sunday. So the totals come out $8.84. You can use 1/2 of 8 any breakfast CVS CRT. Use 1/50 of 2 Nature Valley digital coupon and use $1 of 2 General Mills cereal digital coupon. So the total coupon is $3.50. Pay or roll $5.34 and get back 1000 point on fetch reward is equal to $1. So the final cost is only just $4.34 or 86 cents each. So friend, this is my next week CVS deal update. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.